Sermo Telehealth Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Sermo Telehealth are in the description, so be sure to check them out for more details. Let's dive into this review. Sermo Telehealth is a unique platform designed primarily for physicians and healthcare professionals to collaborate, consult, and access medical advice through virtual interactions. Unlike traditional patient-centered telehealth platforms, Sermo focuses on providing peer-to-peer support for healthcare providers, allowing them to exchange clinical insights, discuss medical cases, and collaborate with others in their field. It's designed for doctors, specialists, and healthcare teams who need to connect with their peers for expert opinions and second opinions, making it an invaluable resource for medical professionals. One of the standout features of Sermo Telehealth is its large global community of doctors. The platform hosts discussions, case studies, and even virtual consultations that allow healthcare professionals to quickly get insights from others in their field. It's a secure, HIPAA-compliant environment, ensuring that patient confidentiality is respected. The platform's user-friendly interface enables easy access to discussions, resources, and direct peer-to-peer consultations. Additionally, Sermo allows users to earn rewards for their participation, creating an added incentive for professionals to engage and share knowledge. The strengths of Sermo Telehealth include its peer-driven model, which gives healthcare professionals a unique opportunity to consult with others in their field in real time. The global reach of its community is a big plus, allowing doctors from various specialties and regions to collaborate, which can enhance the decision-making process. Furthermore, the platform's reputation and trusted network make it a reliable source for medical advice. However, there are limitations. Sermo Telehealth is not designed for direct patient consultations, meaning it's not a suitable platform for individuals seeking telehealth services for personal medical issues. It's strictly a medical professional community, which may not appeal to the general public. Additionally, some users might find the platform overwhelming if they're new to the professional networking environment. In conclusion, Sermo Telehealth is an excellent tool for healthcare professionals seeking to connect with peers for clinical advice, case discussions, and second opinions. It's an essential resource for those in the healthcare field. Check out the links in the description for more details.